Hello students and welcome in the class of English language. Today we will go through chapter and articles. There are three articles in English, a and the, which belongs to the class of words and are used before nouns. See articles indefinite and definite article. In indefinite there is a and in definite there is the. So a is used before a vowel with a consonant sound. Example, a university, a uniform, a union, etc. A is used to express a certain quantity like a dozen eggs, a cup of sugar. Now an is used before a word with the sound of a vowel. Examples, an arrow, an engine, an orange, an urn, etc. Now next words beginning with h, and when they are pronounced the vowels, then we used an, like an hour, an honest man, an honor, etc. Now see the next one, definite article. So here the is a definite article because it refers to a definite person or a thing. See, when we denote a particular person or thing already mentioned, example, I ate an apple yesterday, the apple was juicy. So here we are denoting particular thing, that is apple, and it is written earlier. Now next rule, before the names of unique institutions we use the, like the World Bank, the United Nations, the White House, etc. Now before the names of plural names of countries, geographical areas or island groups we use the, like the Caribbean, the Netherlands, the Pacific, etc. Now next rule, before the names of historical buildings we use the, like the Lotus Temple, the Taj Mahal, etc. Now before superlative degrees we use the, like the cleverest, the highest, the lowest, etc. Next rule, when it is in the beginning of a sentence before ordinal counting we use the, like the first, the second, the ninth, etc. Now before a proper noun when it is used as an adjective we use the, like the famous Newton, the great Julius Caesar, etc. Before the names of universal things we will use the, like the sun, the moon, etc. Now articles, a is used before a singular countable noun that begins with a consonant sound, that is a unique idea, a university, a gift, etc. Now an is used before a singular countable noun that begins with a vowel sound like an MP, an R, an MB, etc. A and an are used with to indicate one person or thing that is not specific and particular. Take example, she wants to study in a university. He has a 500 rupee note in his pocket. Now next, to show a kind, class or species. For example, a deer is a gentle animal. To show a certain quantity, for example, I purchased a dozen bananas. Now next, to show profession, rank, community, religion of a person. Now the is used when we refer to a particular person or thing. For example, the house which you purchased is in a posh colony. Now when a common noun represents the whole class we use the. For example, the dog is a faithful animal. Next, with the name of unique things. Fourth, with superlatives. And fifth, with words like first, third, last, next, only, which I told you earlier. Now with the names of rivers, seas, oceans, with the names of newspaper, holy books and scripture. Next with the names of directions and mountain ranges, trains, ships, aeroplanes, with the name of whole families and names of countries which have common noun like states, kingdom. Now with the names of historical monuments and well-known buildings. Next, before an adjective when it represents a class to show a unit of measurement, before adjectives in the comparative degree. Now see the next one, that is omission of articles. A and an and the are omitted when it is before proper noun, name of person, places, countries, cities, etc. Abstract noun and material noun. Like Virat Kohli is my favorite cricketer. So here no a and the. But when proper noun is used as an adjective, article the is used before it. Like he is the Virat Kohli of our school team. So here we have used the. Now when abstract noun and material noun come in specific or particular sense, the is used, like the beauty of Cinderella attracted all. Next one, article is omitted before names of meals. For example, breakfast is ready. So here is no article. But when the meal is specific, then the is used. But now before the names of languages, relations, names of days, months and seasons, it is omitted. Like Miss Monica teaches us French, mother has cooked tasty food for guests, etc. Now students, your chapter determiners and articles is completed. Now if you don't understand, then go through the chapter again and listen it carefully. Now students, we will meet in next chapter. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.